Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Tamiya's 1989 Sauber-Mercedes C9, unboxing the kit, checking out the detail and all the parts included. I picked this kit up at my favorite hobby store and was in luck because I was able to purchase it as an open box item. Not sure why someone would return it. All the parts were still in the box. Nothing was tampered with or removed from the sprues. The only noticeable difference was the sprues were taken out of the original plastic that they're shipped in. Taking a look at the instructions, everything is in black and white. They give you a list of recommended tools, a paint list. That's if you're going to be painting the kit up to look like one of the 3 C9s that took place in the actual 24-hour race. The steps seem to be well detailed and easy to understand with nice sized pictures. Here we have the front and rear cowling of the model. Very nice detail, deep panel lines, and only a couple of seam lines that need to be sanded and removed. On sprue B, you have your cockpit or interior tub, the back panel, the front dash panel, what seems to be air intakes and heat extractors, and the side view mirrors. Moving on to sprue C. Here we have the engine, intake manifolds, transmission, radiator and radiator parts, some shocks, brake rotors, and calipers. Next is sprue A. This holds the chassis, rims, seat, a single windshield wiper, steering wheel, fan belt and pulleys, headers, back wing or spoiler, turbocharger, and a couple other parts, all molded in black. Moving right along to our clear part sprue. Here you will find the windshield and any other clear parts the build will require. Quick tip, I recommend not removing your clear parts from their plastic packaging until you're ready to install them. This will help avoid any scratches or marks from them being tossed around in the box. I learned the hard way. The kit comes with 4 racing slicks, small in the front, wide in the back. A little sanding to remove the seam lines will give these a realistic and weathered look. Next up, we have our photo-etched parts. This includes all the buckles for the seat belts, side view mirror inserts, radiator covers, inserts for the headlights, and a few other pieces. The decals that come in the kit look great. You get the pre-cut masking tape for the windows to help trim them in black. That's one less step we'll have to take. Your tire stickers for the front and rear tires. And even though the kit comes with seatbelt decals, I'll be using some actual seatbelt material. Then you have your decal sheet. So many well-made decals. Like I stated earlier, you have the choice of 3 different numbers. Each color corresponds with a specific number. I'll be building the number 63 car. This is the one who actually took first place out of the 3 during the 1989 24-hour Le Mans. This will be my first kit from Tamiya, and with so many high quality parts and decals, this will easily be my most detailed kit. I'm excited and can't wait to dive in. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and hit that bell notification so you'll know when the first video is published. Thank you guys and girls for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.